Are you tired of setting annual resolutions that fizzle out by February? Well, get ready to transform your productivity game with a game-changing approach from Moran's The 12-Week Year. Today, we're diving into the world of hyper-focused goals, laser-sharp execution, and game-changing results. So, buckle up and get ready to supercharge your productivity. This isn't your average goal-setting guide. It's a game-changing strategy that's about to revolutionize the way you approach your goals, your productivity, and your results. Moran's 12-Week Year isn't just a book. It's a blueprint for achieving a year's worth of progress in just 12 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. It's a power-packed approach that's designed to unleash your potential, elevate your productivity, and propel you towards game-changing results. So, if you're ready to shatter the status quo, elevate your game, and make every week count, then buckle up, because this book is about to take you on a transformative journey like never before. So what's the magic behind the 12-week year? It all boils down to challenging the traditional annual goal-setting mindset. Moran argues that relying on a year-long time frame sets us up for procrastination and a lack of focus. The 12-week year flips the script entirely. It proposes breaking down your annual goals into focused, achievable 12-week cycles. Why? Because shorter cycles offer several key advantages. Urgency and intensity. A 12-week time frame creates a sense of urgency. The finish line isn't a distant mirage. It's just around the corner. This injects a shot of intensity into your efforts, propelling you to take action and avoid procrastination. Focus and prioritization. With shorter cycles, you're forced to prioritize ruthlessly. You can't tackle everything in 12 weeks, so you need to identify the most impactful tasks and focus on those. This laser focus leads to greater efficiency and accomplishment. Momentum and wins. The 12-week year isn't about waiting for a grand year-end victory. It's about celebrating regular wins. Each completed 12-week cycle offers a sense of accomplishment and builds momentum, propelling you forward towards your ultimate goals. Achieving a year's worth of progress in just 12 weeks. Sounds ambitious, right? The 12-week year argues that with focused execution and the power of 12-week cycles, it's not just possible, it's achievable. In the next part of this series, we'll delve deeper into the practical strategies for implementing 12-week cycles and making this system work for you. Alright, we've established the power of 12-week cycles. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you actually achieve your goals within those 12 weeks? The answer lies in execution. Moran argues that consistent execution is the secret sauce of the 12-week year. It's not about grand ideas or one-time bursts of effort. It's about consistent, deliberate action. Think of it like building a brick wall. Each completed brick, each completed task, brings you closer to your goal. But if you only lay a few bricks here and there, the wall will never get built. So, how do you achieve this consistency? Here are some key strategies. Weekly planning. Break down your 12-week goals into actionable steps for each week. This provides a clear roadmap and keeps you on track. Daily focus. Identify the most important tasks for each day and dedicate focus time to completing them. Avoid multitasking and distractions. Habit building. Turn key actions into habits. The more you repeat them, the easier it becomes to execute consistently. Remember, it's not about sporadic bursts of superhuman effort. It's about showing up consistently and taking deliberate action each and every day. This consistent execution is what propels you forward and ultimately leads to achieving your 12-week goals. In the next part of the series, we'll explore some powerful tools and frameworks from the 12-week year that can help you implement consistent execution and crush your goals. Stay tuned. The 12-week year is a game-changer because it fundamentally shifts our approach to goal achievement. Traditionally, we set yearly goals and hope for the best. The 12-week year throws that out the window. Instead, it focuses on laser-sharp, short-term goals. By breaking down your yearly aspirations into achievable 12-week sprints, you create a sense of urgency and focus. This propels you to take consistent action and avoid procrastination. I've seen it work wonders for businesses. Companies that implement the 12-week year experience a surge in productivity, a dramatic reduction in wasted time, and a clearer path towards achieving their overall goals. For individuals, it's about working smarter, not harder. You identify the most impactful tasks and focus your energy on those, leading to greater accomplishment in a shorter time frame. Folks, as it's mentioned, the 12-week year isn't just about working long hours. It's about working strategically. In the next segment, we'll delve deeper into some of the specific tools and frameworks you can use to implement the 12-week year and revolutionize your own productivity. Stay tuned. Alright, you're convinced of the power of 12-week cycles and consistent execution. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Here are some key strategies for implementing the 12-week year in your own life or business. 1. Setting SMART goals. The foundation of any successful 12-week cycle starts with SMART goals. These goals are specific, clear and well-defined, leaving no room for ambiguity. Measurable, quantifiable, allowing you to track your progress. Achievable, challenging but attainable within the 12-week time frame. Relevant, aligned with your overall objectives and priorities. Time-bound, with a specific deadline to create urgency and focus. 2. Weekly action planning. Don't let your 12-week goals remain distant aspirations. Break them down into actionable steps for each week. This creates a clear roadmap and ensures you're making consistent progress. 3. Relentless progress tracking. Knowledge is power. Track your progress religiously. This allows you to identify areas for improvement, celebrate milestones, and stay motivated throughout the 12 weeks. 4. The power of consistent execution. We've emphasized this throughout the video, but it bears repeating. Consistent execution is king. Schedule dedicated time for focused work, eliminate distractions, and develop habits that support your goals. Remember, it's about showing up every day and taking deliberate action. There you have it. By setting SMART goals, planning your weeks, tracking progress, and relentlessly pursuing your goals, you can harness the power of the 12-week year and achieve more in 12 weeks than you ever thought possible. If you're ready to ditch the annual planning hamster wheel and embrace the power of focused execution, we'll be releasing additional videos with even more tools and strategies to help you implement the 12-week year and conquer your goals. Let's face it, the world is a busy place. We're constantly bombarded with distractions, pulled in a million different directions. This often leads to a feeling of stagnation and a sense that our goals are slipping further and further out of reach. But what if there was a better way? The 12-week year offers a clear path through the chaos. It's a game changer that can revolutionize how you approach your goals. By embracing the power of 12-week cycles and consistent execution, you can experience heightened productivity, accelerated growth, and tangible results. The 12-week year isn't just about planning. It's about taking action and achieving what you set out to do. So, are you ready to break free from the cycle of overwhelm and stagnation? Are you ready to embrace the power of the 12-week year and crush your goals in just 12 weeks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us what goals you're excited to tackle with the 12-week year. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more productivity hacks, tips, and strategies to help you dominate your 12-week cycles and achieve remarkable results. Until next time, keep chasing those 12-week goals and making every week count.